Had a successful trip. We're gonna pull our anchor in and head back to the landing so we can fillet them all up. I think we ended up with 4 hogfish, a nice sheep's head, and all the grunts you can handle. Pretty successful short trip.
Reeling against that drag.
Drag's not tight.
Lift up on him. Did he get back in the bottom? Oh yeah, he rocked you up again. Oh, is he out? Yeah, that's a good fish, whatever you got there.
Bend over and out. Ugly shit.
There you go. That's gonna be a big old gag, I would assume. He's coming up. Is that a red?
Oh, please.
That's a hogfish, bro.
No, it is.
Jumbo hogfish.
Oh my. Oh, come here.
Man, he had us rocked up. That's good, don't reel anymore. Nice fish.
Nice fish.
Nice fish.
How about that?
That's what we're looking for.
Get a picture of John with that fish.
Oh, nice.
Wow. That's a nice fish.
Hog doggy.
There's no.
And that thing had us rocked up and everything.
There's
Good
no
thing the
max on
hook
the
was
side,
so
right?
set.
Look how he's all scratched. There's no mags, so.
Look at his teeth.
Nice fish.
That's a beautiful fish.
And we're gone, headed to the barn. We'll be back out here tomorrow, doing it again.